Good morning guys, today is 16th of April and the time is 9:19 and मैंने position लिया है just 1 minute before and we are already sitting on 10-11k of profits. The funds blocked is around 18 lakhs, so we've almost made 0.7% of the profits in the Nifty account. And on the Bank Nifty account, what I've done is I'm sitting on 32,300 straddle. So the exit point of this is once 32,000 number is breached, मतलब ये जो number है, once 32,000 level is breached, then I'm going to come out of this straddle. Or if 32,500 is taken out, then also I'm going to come out of this straddle. We have already collected close to 50-60 points of DK. The DK is immense, and Bank Nifty पे I think it's better that I'll exit the position out. All right. So आपके सामने मैंने सारे पोजीशंस बुक कर लिया because I have to go out to drop my mom and we made 12k profits in this and यहाँ पे भी almost 5,000 profit चल रहा है. So we'll see guys. पहले एक डेट्स खा लेता है. तो पहले स्टॉप लॉस ऑर्डर्स को निकाल देंगे. Okay, looks like there's a cascade down, so we're gonna exit. और काफी छोटा ट्रेड था, इट्स कॉल इट नॉन डायरेक्शनल स्कैल्पिंग और समथिंग, बट हमने ऑलमोस्ट प्रॉफिट्स बुक कर लिए हैं. सो वी केम आउट एट 136 and 170 and currently it's at 147 and 157. Nifty and Bank Nifty everything is falling down. Reliance has been weak क्योंकि बाकी सब मार्केट फ्लैट या इधर गैप अप खुला था, बट Reliance had opened gap down and it is heading lower, so which is kind of concerning for the markets. And at the same time Nifty IT has gapped up and Nifty IT has gapped up and it's okay. I mean, it's not showing strength, at the same time it's not showing weakness also. But Bank Nifty is bearish in particular because it's not able to hold the higher levels and HDFC is also kind of coming down. तो देखेंगे once I come back home. So if I find any opportunities, I'll try to capture a bit of more weekend DK. But as of now, I think I'm pretty much done for at least next 1.5 or 2 hours or so. तो उसके बाद मैं आऊंगा and then we'll see what to be done. Alright guys, the time is 2:20. Just अभी वापस मैंने घर आया and because of that I couldn't take any other positions. Nifty account, yes, 920 is the last order. 920 पे हमने exit किए थे and Bank Nifty account same 921 पे हमारा exit हुई थी. As of now there's no change. So we're gonna be mostly closing the day with this 12k on this account and 3.6 on this account. Close to 15.5k profits किए हमने, which is around 0.8% of the capital deployed. Okay, just because this video में you guys didn't have a lot of takeaways, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna spend the next 5 to 10 minutes explaining why we got such a massive decay in the morning. Alright, so for that we need to observe this. कल का प्राइस एक्शन देखो. Look at yesterday's price action. What did the market do? The market had a steep fall and then it had a steep short covering rally. Proper एक V-shape recovery था, right? Think in terms of option buyers. कौन option buy करके रखता है? The people who expect that there might be a sudden movement in either directions, they'll buy the options. So yesterday evening कोई भी लोग यहाँ पे option buy किए रहेंगे overnight. I'm talking about the overnight options. उनका expectation क्या होगा? If this momentum continues, market should gap up like 0.5 or 1%. ठीक है, to fill this gap. यहाँ पे जो gap है, इस gap को fill करने के लिए at least 0.5-1% gap up होगा and they would make a profit. And at the same time, what is the rationale behind the put buyers? Put buy करने वाले लोग क्या सोच के put buy किए रहेंगे? So they'll think that okay, हर जगह पे मतलब कोविड केसेस बढ़ रहे हैं, वी आर क्रॉसिंग लाइक 2 लाख केसेस पर डे and there is a shortage of oxygen, there is oxygen cylinders, there's a shortage of beds, there is shortage of doctors, so many things. So all the negative scenarios, they still think that the market might gap down, and if the market gaps down, agar market gap down, thoda bhi gap down khul jata hai, then what happens is all these people like who had bought yesterday, they would be in panic. तो वहां पे एक पैनिक सेलिंग नीचे की तरफ आ सकती थी. So if that happens, the put buyers at this point would be sitting on a very good profit. But मार्केट में आज क्या हुआ? मार्केट ना बड़ा गैप अप किया, मार्केट ना गैप डाउन किया. So both the hypothesis of the option buyers, overnight option buyers, जो रात overnight मतलब पोजीशन लेके घर गए रहेंगे, option buyers, they didn't find any incentive. Instead, they would have given some amount of time decay overnight. राइट. तो जैसे मार्केट ओपन हो गया, दे थॉट दैट ओके भाई मार्केट कहीं नहीं जा रहा है, एंड इट्स ऑफ नो पॉइंट, देयर इज नो पॉइंट इन होल्डिंग ऑन टू दीज ऑप्शंस. सो ऑल दोस ऑप्शंस बायर्स, दे स्टार्ट डंपिंग देयर ऑप्शंस. इट मींस दे आर ऑफलोडिंग देयर लॉन्ग पोजीशंस. व्हाट इज द ऑपोजिट ऑफ लॉन्ग पोजीशन? इट्स अ शॉर्ट पोजीशन. सो जब सेलिंग होता है मार्केट में, be it in a cash market, be it in the futures market, be it in the options market, kahin pe bhi, if the sellers are more aggressive, if the sellers are strong, to kya hota hai, uska price gir jata hai. That's what happened in the option premiums also. And also don't think that this is going to happen day in and day out. Har roz nahi hota hai aise. So for that we need to understand more about market psychology, the psychology of option buyers and what happens and how they would react if so and so scene happens. ठीक है. So today was one such scene, and अभी देखो, even now we exited at 170 and 136, right? 920 पे हमने बायबैक किया स्ट्रैडल को अराउंड 306 रुपीज पे. Even now it is still trading at 294 रुपीज. मतलब 10 बजे से लेके 920 से लेके 230 तक सिर्फ 10 पॉइंट डीके दिया है, बट विद इन 2 मिनट्स मुझे यहाँ पे 9 से 9 पॉइंट डीके मिल चुका था. So that is the power of morning decay. And another disclaimer, whenever you're exiting, I mean whenever you're entering the trades at 916 or something, slippages will be huge. And अगर आप beginner हो तो I recommend you that you go with 1 lot or 2 lots or something. अगर higher quantities पे trade कर रहे हो, then wait up till 920 to take your positions. 920 से पहले लेना मत. अगर लेते हो तो कम quantity में ले लो. As you grow your comfort levels, then you can short the triangles or straddles aggressively at 916 or sometimes even 915. 30 seconds के बाद market open होते ही you can short the straddles. So that's it guys, that's it for today. I hope you'll have a wonderful weekend. Relax करो, मस्त chill मारो, and we'll come back on Monday and we'll take it from there.